Today, we're diving into the magical world of baking soda and its incredible ability to brighten up our armpits. Yes, you heard it right. Say goodbye to dark underarms with this natural remedy. First things first, let's talk about why our underarms darken in the first place. Factors like shaving, using certain deodorants, and even dead skin buildup can contribute to this issue. But fear not, because baking soda is here to save the day. Step 1. Exfoliation. Baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant, helping to slough off dead skin cells and unclog pores. Simply mix a tablespoon of baking soda with enough water to form a paste. Apply this paste to your underarms and gently massage in circular motions for about 2 minutes. Then rinse off with lukewarm water. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Step 2. Lemon juice. Lemon juice contains natural bleaching properties that can help lighten dark underarms when combined with baking soda. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a bowl. Mix it with your baking soda paste until well combined. Apply this mixture to your underarms and leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water. Lemon juice can be a bit drying, so make sure to moisturize afterward. Step 3. Moisturize. After using any treatment on your underarms, it's essential to moisturize to keep the skin hydrated and healthy. Coconut oil is an excellent choice because of its hydrating properties. Simply apply a small amount of coconut oil to your underarms and massage it in until fully absorbed. Not only will this help keep your skin moisturized, but it will also prevent any potential irritation. Before we wrap up, let me share some additional tips to enhance your underarm brightening journey. First, consider incorporating natural remedies like cucumber or aloe vera gel into your routine. Both cucumber and aloe vera possess soothing properties that can help calm irritated skin and promote even skin tone. Simply slice a cucumber or scoop out some fresh aloe vera gel and apply it to your underarms after using the baking soda treatment. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off for a refreshing boost to your skincare routine. Secondly, don't forget the importance of staying hydrated and maintaining a healthy diet. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins from your body, which can contribute to clearer and brighter skin overall. Additionally, consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and antioxidants supports skin health from the inside out. By combining these lifestyle factors with the power of baking soda, you'll be well on your way to achieving smoother, brighter underarms in no time. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to brighten up your underarms using baking soda. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to incorporate these steps into your skincare routine regularly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy pampering!